Do you know that when you are talking to yourself, you are giving instructions to the universe? Yes, you heard it right. Your self-talk is nothing but your command to the universe. So now think, what most of you are doing with this superpower, they are using this incredible power against themselves because they are ignorant about this superpower. And those who know about this superpower are advising people to think positively. But how many of you can do this? Only 3 to 5% of people are using this superpower of self-talk properly. And do you know why the 95% of the population are not able to use this power properly? Because they don't really believe in this power of self-talk. So the 3D reality is influencing their thoughts, and when the 3D reality controls you, your self-talk will automatically become negative, and when this happens, you are commanding to the universe negative things. So what will be the universe's response? Of course, it will give you more and more negative things in your life. When this happens, you will start to watch motivational videos. After watching that video, or reading that book, you will start to think and talk positively, but only for a day or only for a week. And you will say that all this self-talk and positive thinking are fake. And if you are this kind of person, of course, positive self-talk will not work for you. The reason behind this is momentum. What will happen when you try to stop a train that goes on its top speed? Will it stop suddenly when you apply the brake? No, right. First of all, the speed of the train will get reduced, and after some time, gradually, it will stop. This is how exactly your positive self-talk works. When you start positive self-talk, you will not see any results. Only the momentum of your negative commands to the universe get reduced, and if you continue to do this positive self-talk, slowly, the momentum of your negative commands will stop, and only if you can persist more. This positive self-talk gets some momentum, and when this momentum starts, you'll see some good reflection from the universe. From here onwards, you will start to get positive results. And here only, you will start to get positive results. So now think what most of you are doing. You are giving up on this positive self-talk even before the momentum of your negative self-talk stops. What will be the result? The same old victimhood. Your life will never change. Those who allow the 3D reality to influence their self-talk will never become the creator of their life. They are meant to be victims. 3D reality is a big trap. You should always believe in the unknown. Always think like your desired wish is already manifested. And when you apply this positive self-talk continuously on anything, any reality will shift, according to the vision you are holding in your mind. Always remember you came here with the power to design your own destiny, and only humans can do this in this creation. So stop being a victim and start to create your own reality. Always believe in the unknown. Always use your superpower to create your desired destiny. Okay, now let's see what Dr. Joe Dispenza is saying about the amazing power of your self-talk. According to Dr. Joe Dispenza, we're selecting really one of the worst outcomes we could possibly imagine, embellishing that outcome, and then emotionally embracing that future before it happens, in the anticipation of the event. And now we're taking that thought and the feeling, the image and the emotion, the stimulus and response, and we're conditioning the body and the brain into looking like that future event has already occurred. And the stronger the emotion we feel from whatever we're imagining, the more we pay attention to what we're imagining, and we're embossing that circuitry further in the brain, and we're emotionally conditioning the body more into that emotional state. So a familiar past and the conditioning process is the known, and the predictable or anticipated future is the known. There's only one place where the unknown exists, and that's the sweet spot of that present moment. Now, the person can live a normal life feeling those emotions and being successful and having relationships and all that stuff until it comes time where they get a diagnosis, or it comes time where they go bankrupt, or there comes time where they are ending a relationship or something goes wrong, where they want to create a new career or a new life, and now all of a sudden they come right up against their past. Why? Because that's what's been defining them all along, and all I'm asking to do is stop telling the story of your past and start telling the story of your future. Stop believing in your past, real or imagined, and start believing in your future. Stop romancing the past, and let's start romancing a future. So the unlearning process, then 95% of who we are is a set of memorized behaviors. Automatic emotional responses, unconscious habits, hardwired attitudes, beliefs and perceptions that are automatic like a computer program. So if we're in a program, then we're unconscious. Okay. That's what Dr. Joe Dispenza's words on the amazing power of your self-talk. And here I'm concluding this video. See you on next video. Thank you.